The Akash-NG surface-to-air missile will start high-altitude trials in the next 2 months. Despite Greece's vocal objections, the French government has made it clear that it won't stand in the way of Turkey acquiring Meteor air-to-air missiles with 40 Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jets. Kalyani Strategic Systems' new plant near Pune will have the capacity to produce 300 artillery guns and over 1,000 armored vehicles annually, making it the second largest artillery gun producer by capacity after China's state-owned Norinco Corporation. After a thrilling demonstration at Aero India 2025, the Russian fifth-generation Su-57 fighter jet visited Iran for refueling, before heading back to Russia. India and the United States have signed a new pact to jointly produce advanced autonomous weapons systems that will hold the potential for export to friendly nations. Solar Group of Industries is planning to collaborate with dysfunctional aerospace companies to acquire aircraft designs, and will offer the development of a military transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force has expressed interest in leveraging the 300 km range-guided Pinaka rocket currently under development for the Army, as a cost-effective alternative to imported systems like the Israeli Rampage missile. A striking image has surfaced online, showcasing an Indian Army unit using a Royal Enfield Bullet Motorcycle as a launch platform for an anti-tank guided missile. The Indian Army conducted a Joint Counter Infiltration exercise along with other state and central agencies in Gujarat. Two weeks after the Indian Air Force chief slammed Hindustan Aeronautics for delays, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has constituted a high-level committee to streamline the production of indigenous fighter jets. The high-level committee has been given a month to submit its findings, and a key focus would be to find ways to increase private sector participation in manufacturing the jets, and evaluate the possibility of setting up a new line for the aircraft production that could be managed by a private sector player. Private sector companies like VEM Technologies Larsen & Toubro to Advanced Systems and Dynamatic Technologies already build Tejas fuselage assemblies for Hindustan Aeronautics, and it is likely that one of these companies will get to operate a full separate Tejas Mark 1A production line, which could later be extended to other programs like Tejas Mark II and AMCA. Officials have said that the 3 interceptors of Project Kusha or LR-SAM program with ranges of 150 km, 250 km and 350 km can leverage the sophisticated long-range surveillance radars of the S-400 that is capable of tracking targets up to 600 km away, while the S-400 can utilize LR-SAM's radar network for enhanced situational awareness against low-flying drones and hypersonic missiles. If the S-400 system tracks a target, the indigenous LR-SAM will launch an interceptor, which will have a single-shot kill probability of 90% and up to 98.5% in salvo mode with 2 missiles, thus optimizing resource use and increasing the likelihood of a successful kill. India and the United States have signed a new pact to jointly produce advanced autonomous weapons systems, like autonomous glider, that is capable of staying at sea for up to 1 year without refueling, and dual-mode naval drone, that is capable of operating both on the surface and underwater, and mod surveillance systems, that can operate for over 6 years without requiring significant maintenance or replacement. Today's top 3 comments.